Hello, my name is Enzo Science, and today I will be teaching you how to download Python and then PyCharm. Alright, so the first step is to go to python.com by typing in this. You want to go to downloads because that's where you're going to be. This screen will appear. Now if you're on Windows, you can download 310, but Mac and Linux the links are right here. So if you're on Windows, click this, Mac or Linux, click right here. After clicking this, it'll start to download. But I don't want to download because I've already downloaded it. After you've downloaded Python, you gotta go to PyCharm, which is an IDE. And this right here, by JetBrains, is PyCharm. And you'll see a screen that looks like this. Download, and make sure to click Community, because the professional version does cost money. If you want the professional version, you can do that, but it is costing money. Community's right here. Now, remember, in the description of this video, I will post all the links to PyCharm, to these websites. And real quick, I'll give you a quick tutorial on PyCharm. Now I'm going to actually show you the if statement. First we'll write out a question. The input thing right here next to question will make this act like a print statement, but you can actually add text to it. And then we'll have now what this does is here it will ask you how are you doing today, and I can print or bad. I'll just say good, and I'll say I'm glad to hear that.